I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have an HP Pavilion laptop. This one exactly, it's an HP, the model name is an HP Pavilion 14-N229 and the model number is an F4g97. Those information can be found right under the laptop on a label. It will tell you the model name, which is 14-N229, and the product number, which is an F4g97. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to upgrade the RAM on this laptop. This applies for any HP Pavilion 14-N series, so it doesn't have to be specifically 229. Alright, this is really simple and really easy. People are like, I know you only have one RAM DIMM on a specification that it shows online. No, there's a 2 RAM DIMMs in here available. They do take a DDR3 RAM. I'll leave the link for the RAMs that are compatible on this one on a video description if you guys want to get it. They do use a DDR3, but you need to get a low voltage in order to work better. And again, those links are in my video description. So let's get started. The tools that you're gonna need is a screwdriver set. That's the only thing you need. One more tool. From here, we're gonna be using an UFIXTEK screwdriver set. We're gonna be using bit number 1. You can get the pro version of this one. I really recommend you guys. It comes with all these opening tools and pliers and everything else. Or you can get yourself a guitar pick, a metallic guitar pick, already suitable to opening electronics. Alright, with these two on hand, we're going to start doing the service. First of all, you do not need to remove the battery to do this. RAM upgrade is absolutely not necessary. As long as you power off, you do not need to remove it. For those people that are really paranoid and they do like a thing that, oh, you should remove the battery, go ahead, do it. So by pulling this trigger to one side and hold it down and slide out the battery if you want it, but it's absolutely not necessary. Alright, down on the bottom of the laptop there is a cover hatch right here, and we're gonna remove these 2 screws. The screws, they have a C-lock on them. That means on the other side of the cover, attached to the screw, there's a round plate, is a C-lock on it, so it will hold on the screw so the screw will not come entirely out from this side. So all you need to do is rotate few rotation and leave it there. Same thing on the other one, just rotate, and that's it. Next thing is to grab an opening tool. You want to stick it in between these 2 right there, and you just want to pretty much pry it open, and the whole cover will come out from this side upward because there's a tiny hinges here. Somebody already tried to open it from this side and broke the hinge, and he actually glued it out. See, there's a crack right here too. So make sure whenever you remove the screw, do not ply it from here, do it from here upward. Alright, down here you're gonna see the 2 RAM DIMM slot available. They only provide you with one. This is an 8 gig DDR3 RAM, and it says DDR3L for low voltage, so you have to get the L version, which is a low voltage. To remove the RAMs are really simple. All you need to do is to pull these 2 triggers away from each other, and the RAM will come out in 45-degree angle. And what you want to do, grab it in 45-degree angle and pull it out, slide it out in the same 45-degree angle. Let's say you have the new RAM in here. Doesn't matter the orientation of the RAMs, the chips on this side or on other side. All you care about is the notch right on the RAM DIMM, and on the RAM, and the notch on the DIMM right there. If you see little garbage right on the pins right there, grab a toothbrush, just brush it gently to remove all those debris from there. And what you want to do, you want to match the notch with the notch on the RAM DIMM, bring it down in 45-degree angle all the way towards the DIMM, and then push it towards the motherboard, and you should hear 2 triggers clicking, just like that. Same thing on the other side. If you have the new RAM, you want to grab 8 gig and 8 gig, bring it down in 45-degree angle, like all the way towards the DIMM, and then towards the motherboard, and you should hear those 2 clicks. And that's how you upgrade the RAM. And there's one more thing. when you upgrade the RAM, you put 2 RAMs in and you turn on the laptop and there is no screen, but you see everything turns on pretty much, the LEDs, everything. Don't panic. All you need to do is shut it down, swipe the RAM places, and that might work. And if that doesn't work, then you want to remove the old RAM, which is on DIMM 1, which is right in front end. Remove this one, put the new RAM DIMM in here, power on. Once you get the boot screen, power off, and put the old RAM on the second DIMM. Sometimes the BIOS takes, it's a weird, every time it's kind of weird. It works. Don't ask why, because the memory check sometimes doesn't work. So you have to swipe or just replace the old one with a new one, the old one on the other side, and that does work. Well, once you upgrade it, and that should be all. And as always, I hope you guys like this video and helped you guys out. If it did, please click that like button and think about subscribing. That really supports the channel. If you have any question or request, feel free to leave them in the comment area, and I always try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.